Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offer.
Hey, how are you? Brian and Hazel here. I try to answer as many of your emails as I possibly can, and thank you for the enthusiasm. Actually, I don't know if it's enthusiasm at this point with the diesel fuel so high. I know everyone is being squeezed. I have a lot of companies that are new to this, new to trucking, who've just started in the past year and weren't really prepared for something like this. And I know it can be a dream killer, but here's the thing. Even being new, okay? And when we say new authority, for us, you've got to have at least 4 months of bank statements. You want 3 your first month, unless you did really well your first month. So that's under a year. 4 months. We can do it. Stay in business. Bridge a gap. Do you have a huge repair bill? Do you need tires? In times like these, you don't need those things to happen where you don't have a life raft. So I think if you are just starting, I would have a little life raft to keep going if this is what you want to do. You don't want to get into a situation where you're behind on your truck payments, or you're just putting a little bit of fuel in your truck at a time, or you're just going out on a limb and just keep driving it, knowing there's something wrong with it, it's making a strange sound, or even a really bad tire. Here's the thing, I know you know, but if you're new, you might not know a bad tire can wreck every single tire that's on that axle. So try to, take that a little seriously. I get asked about startup funding. Now to us, again, startup funding is about a year. I think what a lot of people generally think startup is can I borrow money to go and start my trucking business? That's in our industry termed seed funding. That's before us. You've got to have a little bit of proof of concept being, what are your revenues every month? Are you mildly successful doing this? Are you showing any dedication? At least show us 90 to 120 days of dedication that you're willing to be out there and do what it takes and drive the numbers up. And if you do that and you have a fairly decent daily balance, not too many NSFs. In other words, you can have an NSF, but bring the balance back up very quickly. Let us take a look at it. If it looks good and we can see that you're bringing money in, but you're bouncing around a little bit because of a repair or something like that, we'll be able to determine that, or I'm not going to determine it. Our underwriters will be able to see that and actually try to give you the benefit of the doubt to get you out of that so that you're on more of a smooth trajectory going higher. And it goes back to whether or not personal credit along with that is important. No, your revenues are more important. Okay, so demonstrate how hard you want to succeed in this, and we'll do our best to match that dedication. Thank you.
You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today, apply today, fund today. Your business can't wait. Just click the link below.